in the future to just size down or take the micro contracts so I avoid getting blown accounts all the time. For today, let me show you my 3 trades. My first trade was this one. I got in at around the close of this bar. My train of thought, you see we were having a gap down, a very strong sell-off from last week's body and last week's low, which we were now testing, and we have a give up bar. This would actually not be a bad spot for a short. So I saw this bullish momentum rising, and for me this was a possible exhaustion gap or exhaustion bars, and I saw this rounded bottom, and this was a tight trading range style market. So at this bar you see it is a reversal bar, a bearish reversal bar at the close. When it dipped below and rose above, I entered with a market order short to just short around here and have a 1-to-1 RR. I made a mistake and went in my full position size, which was 5 contracts. And actually, if you do such a thing, you should trade small and scale in higher. When I saw the next bar, I rose my take profit or stop profit here to around where you could scale in, and didn't get filled. And after this bar, let me just show you my, where is it, charts and data, my executions, so you can verify what I'm saying. I got short here and went out there, and this was another stupid mistake. Then I thought, well, we are still in an uptrend, we could have a micro trend line, and this would be a micro trend line penetration, but in the moment I got long to ride the micro trend line up. I remembered what I already knew, that we are actually in an area of not buying, and we had also the trading range. So I just, when this bar, this entry bar was staggering, I sold out at the market, and not only sold out but went short around here. This is where I made the short video today. And then at the bottom of the range I reduced the position size, and when we were rising again at this point, this was a shaved bar, at the close of this bar I scaled out another time, and when we got the second strong bull trend bar, I just pretty much did get out my whole position at the break-even point of this signal bar. You see, this is a signal bar for long because it's in the bottom of the trading range. We got a wedge kind of move, waning momentum, and everyone was longing to get long here. They got long above this bar, and if they were eager to get their break-even stop, this is where I just sold out my last profit. And this would even be a possible long, but as today I didn't have a lot of time trading again, so I needed to stop. My profits were very good, so it was okay for me to stop. You could see this was the trend line from From there, it got touched to the downside, and we have another nice reversal bar. You could go short around here, and um, you see, if you are um, very humble and not greedy, you should be able to take around the profit target where the trading range, the height of the trading range is a measured move, and you would get filled. And then after this double bottom, you could get long again. But I didn't live long in the market to see that. You also could say this trend line got touched to the downside and broke out, and then we have a failed breakout and uh, a continuation of the uptrend. So this uh, could also be a triangle and another breakout. So this is unusual market behavior because you would actually expect some kind of second move up, but since everyone was awaiting some kind of rejection at last week's low body, this is obviously a move um, to anticipate, but still this could be a big trading range and turn into a trading range. So this isn't actually the top, but it could reverse up and down and do something like this too. So why did my trade fail here? We were in a trading range around the bottom. My bet was um, on. Let me put it away again. So I did bet on a continuation um, of this channel here. You see, uh, this would be a tight trading range TTR, and a small bar at the top of a TTR is actually a good signal bar. It triggered, and the the bottom of the sloping trading range upwards would be a nice area to take profits. But why did it fail? You see, you can also draw here or even a little bit smaller, and you have a trading range, and this was a breakout of the trading range, a retest of the trading range, and a pullback continuation. And you see a measured move target up here got hit, and then the market reversed. This is another way to see the market. This is obviously what the computers saw and a lot of other traders saw. So my approach to the market was invalid, but the trade wasn't that bad. The approach was bad with not scaling in. This wasn't a good thing to do. Then this long, also full position in. I should buy in pieces. I didn't do that. This is bad management actually. So, but my intuition, let's call it intuition, told me um, when this bar, the first pullback, then the second pullback, this could be a kind of double bottom, double top. You see when you tick, and then it will move down. So this would be an actual penetration of the small moving average on a minute chart. Maybe we can see it when we zoom in. It didn't quite penetrate the moving average though. You see it's a trend line break and a retest and a reversal on the 1 minute chart as I expected, and this would be tradable here, and I saw it at the 5 minute chart and just went short with a market order when I anticipated the market. I saw it in real time and I saw the staggering, and for me this was a micro double top, so I just got in um, with a market order. So I don't know if this is a good approach in the future, but um, I wasn't mistaken as the trade worked out, and maybe I will I didn't wait for the signal bar though. This, you see, I think it wasn't the best thing to do to trust my intuition there, because I had not really a signal. I just anticipated the double top. I don't know if this is a good thing to do, but it worked out. So great. This was my recap for today. Uh, so wish you a great